Hello students, let us see the example related to the combination of resistances. As you can able to see, the example is in front of you, which is written on the board. What the question is saying, calculate the current through each resistor, which means that we wanted to calculate the current through each resistance. Now how to calculate the current through each resistance? We know very well, current through is what I1, through is what I2 and through is what I3. क्या बात बहुत बढ़िया. The total current in the circuit. Now, the current which is flowing in the circuit can be calculated. How do we can able to calculate this current flowing through the circuit? I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. है ना? So this much of the current is flowing, and that should be the amount of current which is flowing through each resistance becomes equal to the total current flowing through the circuit. Third one is what? The total circuit resistance, that is equivalent resistance of this combination. That is what? How these resistances are connected? Parallel. How simple example it is. The many times the example was asked in your CBSE board examination as well as any other competitive examination if you are talking about it. Clear? So let us solve this example. How to do this? First of all, as we know very well, okay, let us do this. How to solve this? First of all, we will write it down the given. What is given? Clear? What is given, Babu? Three resistances are given. Write it down that. How much? R1 is equals to 5 ohm, R2 is equals to 10 ohm and R3 is equals to what? 30 ohm. Clear? And potential is given how much? 12 volt. So V is given what? 12 volt. As I already told you that this potential is what? Common in each case. Clear? If suppose we are going to measure the potential voltmeter across these 2 points of this resistances, how much amount of the potential difference it will show? That the battery which is connected to that. Clear? Very good. First of all, we will calculate the current through each resistor. Now, current through this one is what? I1, through this I2 and through this I3. What is the formula for I1 now? Use it. Come on. First case. I1 is equals to what? V by R1. Getting what I am saying? How much is the V? 12. How much is the R1? 5. क्या बात बहुत बढ़िया. Clear? So similarly, I2 is equals to what? V divided by R2. How much is the V? 12. How much is the R2? 10. Very good. How much is the I3? I3 is equals to V divided by R3. V is equals to 12. R3 is equals to 30. Calculate it now. How much? 5 2s are 10. And how much is remaining? 2. 5 4s are 20. That is 2.4 ampere. Similarly, how much? Obviously, this is what? 1.2 ampere. Now this becomes what? I think 3 4s are 12. Means 0.4 ampere. So what is the current? I1 is 2.4. What is the I2? Is 1.2. What is I3? Is 0.4 ampere. Now what is the total current? Will you be able to calculate it? Just try it. क्या बात? So then second one is total current I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I is equals to I1 is equals to how much? 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4. Then I is equals to how much is there? 6 for 10. 2 and 3, that is I think 4 ampere will be the total current. Is it correct now? 4 to the 6, 6 4, 10. 1 is remainder. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. That is I is equals to 4 ampere. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इस सर्किट में कितना करंट जा रहा है? 4 ampere. कितना? 4 ampere. Now equivalent resistance. Is the resistance is same? No. But what is the formula? We know the formula, sir. What is that? 1 upon Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So therefore, 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 is how much? 1 by 5. R2 is what? 1 by 10. R3 is what? 1 by 30. It depends upon how you are going to do it. But I think so that what we can say, it becomes very easy if you make the denominators common. Okay? So then 30 is the what? Isn't it? Just make it 5 into 30 and 10 into 30. How do we can do this? 1 by Rp is equals to 6 divided by 30. 5 6 are 30. Multiplied by 6 to the numerator as well as denominator. Just to make the common figure. Here we should multiply by 3. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे कितना करना है? 30. So 3 1s are 3. 10 3s are 30. Plus what? 1 divided by 30. Now use the simple rule that if the denominator are common, just add the numerators. 6 plus 3 plus 1, 9 plus 1 what? 10. तो कितना आएगा यहाँ पर आंसर? Which becomes 1 by rp is equals to what? 10 by 30. 0, 0. Cancel. What is the remaining now? 1 by rp is equals to 1 by 3, which could be written as, now this is not equivalent resistance in parallel. We need to be take it. इसको ऐसा करो तो क्या बनेगा? rp is equals to what? 3. Oh, क्या बात है sir, very good, isn't it? So this is what the things are, and see, it's very simple to calculate. It becomes very simple to calculate, but you need to be try for it. You need to be do it. You need to solve it. Clear? First of all, read the question carefully. If you read the question carefully, automatically the solution will be there. Because sometimes what happens, that students don't read the question properly. If you are not going to read the question properly, please tell me how you will understand the question, that what the question wants to ask. Clear? So it's a request, everyone, please try to read the question. Half solution will get in the question itself if you read it properly. Isn't it? I think you will do it from here onwards. It's very good.